Hey everyone, welcome to topic 3, Civil War and Reconstruction. This topic is about one of the most difficult and important periods in U.S. history. You'll learn why the conflict between the North and the South turned into war, how the Civil War changed the nation, and why rebuilding after the war was so complicated. You'll look at Reconstruction, which is the time period after the war when the country tried to come back together, rebuild the South, and really try and define what freedom and citizenship and rights would actually mean after slavery ended. So this topic isn't just about battles, it's about division and justice and leadership and rebuilding and really what it takes to bring people back together after deep conflict. And I hope that after this topic, you will be able to see some pretty strong parallels between today and this Reconstruction period in the past. Again, start in the Learn section before jumping into the project. This topic has a lot of emotion and complexity, so you're going to need real background knowledge before you can make a strong argument. You will thank me in the end because your revision process will be much shorter if you start in the Learn section. As you go through the resources that are there, pay attention to what stands out to you, which resources really helped shift your thinking or cause those aha moments, those cognitive fingerprints that we're looking for. For your project, again, I'm not looking for a simple summary of the Civil War. I need to see your thinking and how it changed. What resources helped you understand the most about things and why. Tell me about the causes of the conflict, what you think mattered most, what you think changed because of the war. Again, AI can give you this overview. It can give you general answers to these things, but it can't make connections to your personal life, and it shouldn't be doing the thinking for you. So if your work sounds generic, which is what AI produces most of the time, or it stays surface level, or it doesn't show your decision making, your thought process, your aha moments, it won't show mastery. So your goal is to use evidence and defend your reasoning and then connect to the past and show your thinking as you've learned. So good luck.